it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Trunk Club. I don't know what number. I believe it's number 7. I was going to say 8. Could be 6. Could be 10. I feel like it's like 7 or 8. So I've got 12 items in my box. I love Trunk Club, but it's a little pricey. We know this. However, there are some more affordable things in this box, and I'm excited. I've got accessories. I've got a couple pair of shoes. I've got some great dresses. So what I want to start with are the dresses because that's what I'm most excited for. And you've probably seen them in the thumbnail. So let's just not even make you wait, and let's just show you what they look like. The first one is this sequin shift dress. The brand is One State. It's in a size 2X. It's called Luster Nude, and it is $139. But this is one of those like types of sequins where you can rub it and it changes colors. So it's that like luster nude color, and then you swipe up and it's black. This is the softest sequins I've probably ever felt in my life. It's not itchy. It's not like scratchy. It's just such a soft, you can tell it's just like such a good, like a well-made dress. It's a little snug, yes, and it's a little short. I'm 5'8", so I don't know if I'm comfortable wearing something this short and snug out. However, I debated keeping it because whenever in my life am I going to come across sequin dresses like this, even though it's a little bit tight? I need your opinion. $139, but like if I could do this to it all night, that would just make me happy. Now, I definitely asked for sequins this time. I got that sequin shift dress, and then I got this Michael Kors like party dress. It reminds me of a disco ball. I love like the bell sleeves. It's got a little flare at the bottom. It's a great length. It is soft. This right here is not scratchy at all. Like, it's just such a soft material. It's also double lined, so you're not getting any of this on your body. It's just on the outside. This is in a size 2X. Now, on my receipt, the paper receipt, it says $110, but when I look at the app, it's on sale for $82.50. It's called the Flounce Sleeve Dress. It's also a little bit snug, but y'all know I just got all that shapewear from Shapermint, so I could very well wear some shapewear with this. It's just such a holiday dress. Doesn't it scream like Christmas party, or I don't know. That's what it screams to me, like a Christmas party. It's pretty. It's $110 regular price, on sale for $82.50. Next thing is also like a sequins type thing. Carson, if you're watching this, you killed it. This is a halogen sequins pencil skirt. Let me just let that sink in. A sequins pencil skirt. Okay? Look at that. My camera can't even focus on that. But it is like fat sequins. That's the best like word I can think to describe it. These are huge. And it's like, can you hear that? This is in a size 2X. If I didn't say the brand is Halogen, it's $99. It's the perfect length. It's high-waisted. It's got some stretch to it. I did have to zip it in the front, which is like kind of random, but I was alone when I was trying all these clothes on last night, and I couldn't like reach around far enough to get it to zip, so I just zipped it in the front. So remember that this is zipped in the front, but $99. Let's see, what is this actually called? This is called the Palette Pencil Skirt for $99. Now let's get into tops. Carson sent quite a few tops. This one is from the brand Halogen as well. It's in a size 2X, and it's also that like party vibe. I really like this one. Look at it. It's like golden black chevron. It's got a little bit of a cuffed sleeve. It's a little bit flared. It has a black tank top that goes under it. I hate those like made-in tank tops that like you have to figure out how to put on before you put the actual shirt on. But I get it because it's absolutely see-through if you don't. This one is also a little bit snug. Maybe just this brand of Halogen. I don't know, because the other stuff were different brands, but this is pretty. This is really pretty, and this also screams party to me. So this is called the Metallic Burnout Blouse, and it's $79, but it's pretty. Next thing that's also sparkly, and I love this box for that. I love that everything has such sparkle to it. This one I'm pretty sure I was supposed to wear an undershirt with it, so don't judge me because I didn't. And I think that I should have. This is the brand Leith, size 2X, and it's just this like little cover up, but look at that. Look at that glitter sparkle. Yeah, I think you're definitely supposed to wear a tank top under this. Let me look at the app and see how the girl, or how the, okay, they didn't. On the model, she's not wearing anything underneath it. That's what the model looks like in it. So that tells me that mine is definitely too small because it didn't really close around the stomach. It's also super low cut. So I like this, but I would wear something underneath it. Just like a black tank top or something. Just so that all your bits aren't hanging out. But this is beautiful too, right? I'm in love with like all of the sequins and stuff. This is called the Twist Front Blouse and it's $55. Now let's move on to this black, like little just plain blouse. It's the brand Sejour. It's in a size 2X. It has cold shoulder type openings on the sleeves, which I love. I didn't put a tank top with this under it, and I think that you're supposed to, but I think it's okay for the video. I don't think you can see through it too bad. This one I like for just like a plain basic pullover black top, but I also feel like I probably own 10 of these already. You know, it's just like that lightweight, just throw over. Let's see how much it is. This is called the Sheer Split Sleeve Blouse, and it's $79. So for $79, I don't need this, but it's pretty. Last clothing item is a sweater. This is the brand Madewell. It's in a size 2X, and it's this like white creamy color. So this is funny. So I've made quite a few friends from YouTube, and me and this girl have been chatting on Instagram, and she was like, I told her, I was like, I got this Madewell sweater. I'm so excited because she had just ordered some jeans, and she made a joke that she was like, I bet it's cropped, and I was like, I don't think so. Like, that'd be so weird to make a cropped sweater. It's totally cropped. It is totally cropped. I actually paired it with that sequin skirt, and it didn't look bad at all. This would be really cute with some high-waisted jeans in the winter, like when it's cooler outside. Plus that Madewell brand, I think, is a pretty good Madewell brand. You get it? Madewell, well made. All right. This is called the Balloon Sleeve Pullover Sweater, and it's $98. And as I said, I do have quite a few accessories. First thing is this Soul Society burgundy like crossbody bag. How pretty, right? This color is so in right now, and it's leopard. Y'all know I got a thing for leopard. This is so pretty. I don't know if I need this, but I actually thought about keeping it and giving it as a gift. This is called the Urch Faux Leather Crossbody Bag. The color they call it is Ox Blood, and it is $54.95. So like I said, I may not need it. Oh, it has a little handle right there too. How cute. But it would be a really great gift for someone. All right, next let's go to a pair of earrings. These are Bauble Bar. Yes, Bauble Bar earrings. Look how fun. Y'all know I love like big statement earrings like this. They're pink, champagne, and silver with like a gold base, I guess, like gold setting. They are for pierced ears, just in case you were wondering. So these are called the Amelia Crystal Stud Earring in pink, and they're $34. They're heavy. Could that be a downfall, or does that mean that they'll last longer because they're a little bit heavier? Now I also have a necklace from Bauble Bar. I believe that's how you say it. Please correct me if that's not how you say it. Bauble, not like Bauble. Bauble Bar. Okay, that's what we're going with. Here we go. This is it. It's got a lot of browns in it, which I think is pretty. It's more like a choker style. It does have, if you can see right there, a little bit of a chain, but not much. So it's not going to be super long. It's going to be like more like a sit right here type necklace, which I kind of like. I'm into statement pieces. So this is the Estelle Statement Necklace, and it's $58. All right, last two things are shoes. Y'all know I love when I get shoes. I love when I get everything, but shoes, I don't know, for some reason shoes like do something for me. So here we go. These are the Halogen Atlantic Pacific. They look weird. Okay, they look weird, but they're really pretty. And they would be cute with like some tights and a dress or something in the wintertime when you didn't want to wear heels. I think so anyways. These are called the Anastasia Double Strap Flat in black. They're a size 9.5. And they're $99.95. And the very last pair of shoes, speak to me. Look, it's like blinding you, right? They're blinding you. These are Steve Madden brand. I don't even know how much they are. I'm scared to look and find out if I can actually keep them or not. These are the Trace R Crystal Mule in the color Stone, and they're $79.95. Okay, so I tried these on last night or for this video and thought, where the heck would I wear these to? And then I went to an event for work. Like, I was shooting it. I wasn't, like, enjoying the event. And this woman had on this blue, like, shift dress that was, like, such a pretty royal blue. And she had shoes like this on with it. And it looked so cute that I was like, okay, well, maybe, like, maybe you could get something out of these. Like, I would actually wear them and they wouldn't just, like, sit displayed in my closet. What do we think? I feel like this is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to keep a pair of shoes like this. Alright, so that is a wrap on this video, a long video, 12 items. Let me know in the comment section what you like, what your favorites are. I'm debating keeping that like change toned sequins dress. I don't need it, but I feel like it's such a great piece that I almost don't want to pass it up. I also really like that Madewell sweater. Again, it's cropped, so where am I going to wear it to? But I own so many pairs of high-waisted jeans that it would just be cute to throw over with some high-waisted jeans and maybe just some like little keds, or you could even wear it with flats, like just something easy and basic but that will keep you warm. I also really like that crossbody bag. Again, not so much for me, but maybe for a gift for Christmas. So that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I will leave a direct link to sign up for Trunk Club in the description box down below. Click on it, check it out. I like it. And you can absolutely ask for things that are more affordable too. Don't get me wrong, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars. You can let your stylist know, hey, it's a little pricey, can we see what we can do and get more affordable things. Carson has been great adjusting my profile that way for me, and I appreciate it. So that's a wrap on this video. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.